The Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of safety standards for the installation, operation, and maintenance of electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It covers a wide range of applications, including residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The code is designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards by providing guidelines for safe practices, such as conductor sizing, grounding, overcurrent protection, and the use of suitable equipment. While not a law itself, it's often adopted by local jurisdictions and is considered a fundamental reference for electrical professionals. The Electrical Code is organized into 9 chapters, each covering a specific aspect of electrical installations. These chapters include: Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Definitions. Chapter 3, Wiring Methods and Materials. Chapter 4, Equipment. Chapter 5, Special Occupancies. Chapter 6, Special Equipment. Chapter 7, Special Uses. Chapter 8, Communication Systems. Chapter 9, Special Installations.